It is end of year now. Merry Christmas, traders. I just had my biggest trading day of the year, and I want to break down my process for those of you who care about learning the actual trading skills rather than the profits.
Trading has been really amazing, especially after we developed something that we call Market Atlas, which is the level 2 order flow that helps us to find the direction for trading and has been really game changing for my trading. For example, so you can see my screen right now, I have positioned both on AMD and NVIDIA, and Market Atlas helps me to find the levels that is going toward those orders. So as you see here at 212, we have orders of AMD sitting up, and this orders are like a stack or like a liquidity grabs that the market is going toward them. So right now, as you see here, I have orders at NVIDIA as well. So let me bring this NVIDIA as well. So this is the atlas of NVIDIA. So you see the orders at 181. There was one big one at 180 that got filled. So bring it here. So I got filled here my order. As you see, these levels, as they stack up, really helps you to go add to your position or help you to take the profit at at the levels that you need. So as you see here, there's a really big orders stacking up at 181, and obviously the price action is also very bullish. So it's very likely that we're going to go toward this 181, which is a liquidity grab, liquidity pool. That Market Atlas is essentially the level 2 visualization of level 2, and I highly recommend everybody who wants to scalp and how everybody who wants to trade through scalping actually use that. So what we did today was really nice, really easy. So we looked at the NVIDIA was gapping up again. Daily chart is very important. You have to know where you are. So this was the close, gapping up, and you wait for some pullback at the open or consolidation. See where it's trading near the VWAP. So again, a very strong open, really nice 1 minute opening range break up. I didn't take that trade because I was just late in behind my trading station. Otherwise, it would have been a very nice 1 minute opening range break up. But I waited for the pullback. I went long. I added more. What helped me was, again, the Market Atlas really helped me to see if the orders are stacking up, and if they are stacking up and staying up, I went long and I added more position. Really big pop up toward 179, 180. Added more again at the pullback at 180. There you go. So I actually that's a good place to do some more partialing here as well. And by adding, it really helps you to see, as you see the Market Atlas, it's very important to look at the Market Atlas, how it's going to go through 181. So the huge orders are stacking up. If these orders were really big sellers, they would have already pressed the market order and pushed the market lower. So these are the orders that are stacking like me, that I want to put my order up at 181. Let me put my order up at 181. How many shares I have? Yeah. So I have like 500 shares. I want at 181. Putting in there, sell. So see, my order is stacking up. They're joining those guys, and you want to sit to get filled. If I was desperate, I would have already pressed the market order and sold it. But by sitting up there means that you're expecting the price comes up. So it means that nobody is selling until the price is coming up toward that direction. Same as AMD. So AMD at 212.50 got filled. Remember that we had this Market Atlas. So as you see here, do you see this order that got filled? That was right at around 212 here. So it got filled and then went up to 212.40 and then came down, and now it's doing another pullback. So having this Market Atlas is very, very important. You can just get it from Trading Terminal. We're building it with partnership with NASDAQ. So we get our data directly from NASDAQ. And that's turned out to be a really amazing day. So we get both AMD and NVIDIA, semiconductors are having a very strong day. And same as Qs, look at the Qs after a volatile week. Came back up, popping up and going up significantly. So, and that's it. That's what you really want in trading. You don't want more than trade. What time is it right now? It's 10 o'clock, 7 in my morning, 25 minutes of trading, and that's it. I don't want to trade anymore. That's it. Why would I trade anymore? I got everything that I wanted from my day. It was a great trading day. It was a great recap. It was great education, and that's it. I'm walking out. If I'm not part of the chat room until another hour, I would have walked out, going back for a run, depending on where you are. Just do your thing. You don't have to be, it's like we're getting into the Christmas, go Christmas shopping, go get ready, go put the tree up, and just stay away from over trading. This is gambling. This is addiction. So you have to be very careful not to really stay around and mess around too much with it, because this is really an addiction and you really need to stay away from it. One thing that really helps a lot in my trading is the chat room, the community that we are having. And so you guys are in YouTube, probably don't see it, but I can bring it here. This is what you see. There's a beautiful chat that people are coming and chatting, and that really helps a lot. First of all, make me accountable for my trading. So when a lot of these people are watching, Valerio, Glenn, Rafzila, Varak, everybody that watching me, makes me accountable. So accountability is really good when you're trading with a community, trading with a group, mentorship group, trading with a support. It's very important. That's why boot camp is very important. If you really want to have some people accountable, make you accountable, join a boot camp. Like I do twice a week training, resistance training. And I pay $85 an hour to a guy who's over 10 years. And we are doing the same set. One day is back and chest, one day in the shoulder and arm. And that's it, same sets. We're doing 9 sets, repeating it. And he doesn't change it at all. But the reason that I'm paying is his accountability. Like today I have to, in 2 hours, I have to go there. If I don't do it, then I'm skipping it and I talk myself out of it. Same as trading. When you're part of a group, when you're part of a group that holds you accountable, you stick to your rules, you stay disciplined, you're more motivated, and it makes a huge difference. The money that I'm paying for a gym membership and the personal trainer is not for the value or secret sauce that he's giving me, it's for accountability, that I pay you to hold me accountable. We're starting the bootcamp. Bootcamp is a lot, not that I want to sell you anything, but it's very important to be part of a serious group, like-minded people that really want to make you accountable for trading. All right, guys, this is the toward the end of the day, and it turned out to be one of my best day trading in 2025. Maybe it is the best day trading profit that I had for 2025. So I'm gonna add this one here. As you see, we held it. We added when I was doing the pullback, we really added here in the VWAP went up all the way up to 181, a really massive move. I wish I was taking NVIDIA instead, but because I had a big position in both AMD and NVIDIA, it turned out to be a very nice pattern here. Same as AMD, guys. You see, I did add around here at 10:30, went up very significantly. So positions is still open a little bit, so it's going up, and turned out to be one of the really best day trading day I had in 2025. So it's the last week before Christmas. I may not actually trade all week next week, but it would turn out to be a really amazing trading day. So guys, again, with the help of Market Atlas and with the help of community, identifying these amazing trades and execute them with proper risk management, that's the key to success. I really hope that you guys can actually, in 2026, go for it and try to learn the skill of trading. Market is amazing. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the chat room. Yeah, I mean, Mahmoud, that's a good point. It's much cheaper and faster than going to a university. It's not guaranteed, obviously, but also it's not guaranteed if you become an engineer. I became a chemical engineer, PhD, best university, best school, best PhD. I couldn't get a job. So there's nothing guaranteed in life. So even trading as well. So you really need to, give it the best shot that you can and do it properly.